In this video, we will be looking at a pair of very interesting cables. Now, I bought this because how do you counter a slightly thin sounding earphone? You get a pure copper cable to counter some harshness with the notes, and these are special because not because these are from Effect Audio, because these have the Con X connector X with them. You you and I, we both can change the connector pins. I'm not sure what are the pins I have here with me, but as it seems I have all the pins, A2, DC to, and everything, every kind of pins are available here. This is the MMCX, I would like to believe, and that is what makes this this cable very different from everything else. One can open these things. Okay, you guys can see this. Can you see? This is this can be swapped and can be used with any cable you want. This is, let's see, what cable is this. One is supposed to be Aries and the other one is supposed to be, yeah, Aries 2 Con X 4.4, because I have a couple of 4.4 terminated sources. Let's have a look at the cable too. This is slightly more supple than the Effect Audio cable, slightly more, not a lot more supple, and thankfully this is not connected to the cables themselves. This is a free thing. That's a very good thing about these Effect Audio cables. I like that kind of arrangement, because sometimes when you open this, when you by mistake unscrew these things, these internal solderings get damaged, and that is a very bad thing for a premium cable like this. This is a $150 cable, and the Con X connectors cost around, say, $50 more. So that this is not cheap. This is not a cheap cable. $200 for a cable is like overkill for most of the guys out there. The other one is supposed to be Aries 2 Plus. Nothing very different, but Aries 2 Plus has slightly better crystals, I believe. Aries 2 Plus Connex 4.4 mm, made in Singapore, Effect Audio. So same set of Connex. This is the key they are providing to open that, but I do not think we need them as of now. So natively the two pin connector is in place. So this is the slightly heavier cable, as you guys can see. This is the Aries 2 Plus, priced at $220, 220. So yeah, you guys can see that definitely this is the heavier cable, this more thicker cable course. Oh, come on. So yes, you guys can see 4 core, same 4 core, but this is thicker, equally supple. There is no problem with suppleness, but yeah, just see the thickness of the cores are fairly different here. You guys can, I believe you guys can see very thick cores on the plus, and narrower core on the non plus version. So everything else is same. The connector and everything is same. Just the thickness of the cores are different. As you guys can see, this is nearly 50% thicker than this one, and is really heavy, kind of a hefty kind of feel to it. It looks good, no doubt about that. This cable, the copper really shines. I'll be using this, and I'm not sure which one to try first, but I'll try both of these. I'll keep them some 20 hours, and will put them to work. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.